Righty. Hello everyone. Okay, Zoom is muted. Alright. No buys yet on GJ, right? So we just need to wait for this 4 hour to close. So I think I saw some of you actually looking at this 15-minute support earlier. It's not a good support, yeah. This is very weak. So plus, if you were to enter at that point in time, right, the 1 hour was forming bearish, so you do not want to go against a bearish higher time frame candle. Yeah, so Fabio, you're right. First thing, we need this 4 hour candle to close above 134,600, right? And then we need, I know you guys have heard me say this a lot this week, but we still need to wait because the 1 hour is forming bearish. So we need this 4 hour to push above first. GJ buys after 30 minutes support, clean traffic till 135,200. Yes, Niranjan, I was looking at that as well. So, but so just take note. So the reason why I have the whole number here, because we have seen so many times that GJ does minor bounce at whole numbers. But yeah, I think it's, from what I'm looking at on the 1 hour, I think 100 might be a area where GJ has some kind of reaction as well, so we'll just watch it closely. Today should be good. Not much news finally. Whoops. Finally. Yes, Happy K, just be careful, the 1 hour is bearish, so just watch your trade. So 1 more minute till the close. Yeah, so later on we just have some US news at 8:30 AM Eastern. So it shows as medium impact on Forex Factory, but on, whoops, my keyboard is not working, but on the my FX book is high, so I'm just going to be careful. Right, let's have a look. 4 hour closed below 600, so that's not very good for longs, especially since the 1 hour also broke back into the range. So whoever help buys, I think you might have gotten stopped. Just be careful. Manage your trade. Options for 4 hour wick fill, yes, towards the downside. Yeah. So right now, right, it's actually better that it didn't close above, because right now if we base on the 1 hour closing back in, this has a higher probability to be a fake out. So right now I will wait on the 15 or the 30 for some minor resistance to form, and then we can try to take it down. Okay. So always wait for closes. Don't enter before close. Hey Joseph, morning. Morning everyone. Morning, afternoon, evening. I have people from all around the world. Okay, let's see. Yeah, those who took trades already want me to have a look, just send over your charts. Sure. No, just send it over. So I found out how you guys can send links in YouTube. Just paste the whole URL, right? And then put like 2 spaces after the URL. It works, cause look. I found it out last night. Ta-da! Put 2 spaces at the end and then it will go through. Right, let's have a look, Andrew. Morning. Clean traffic. Where's one? Okay, wait for support to form. Clean traffic to the left. Andrew, do you take this? I hope not. Yeah, the longs, this was the long potential earlier, but because the 4 hour that just closed below 134,600. Yeah, it's good that you didn't identify that there was support, because this support here on the 15 is not support. This is rubbish. So good that you didn't take it. So when you guys are taking a trade, right, if you're executing on the 15 or the 30, always make sure to see what the 1 hour is doing. If the 1 hour is against you when you want to go long, oh, please do not execute, please. Yeah, there we go. Do not execute, because the 1 hour will tell you what it wants to do in the shorter term. So that's what happens if you don't wait for closes and for support to be formed and confirmed, right? Yes, I believe so, George. To me, this is a 1 hour fake out, because on the higher time frame for the entire week, we have been short biased on GJ, right? So if we look at the daily, okay, so the trend is a bit confusing on GJ, because on the daily it made a new high and then a new lower low, a new higher low, sorry, and then it's still forming bullish as well. But overall, I still think that this is some kind of pullback, because if we look at the weekly, since we're at the end, right, weekly already tried to push lower. So in terms of percentage, I am 70 short, 30 long, preferably. Yeah, it's always in terms of probabilities, right? I can't be like 100% sure, but especially so that it's confirmed by like the 4 hour, sure, it closed bullish, but it's still rejecting this 600 level. Yeah, so let's be careful. Let's have a look. No. Was this a valid sell? Saw that price was making lower lows and lower highs. Created resistance on the 30. I suppose you're talking about this 2 as resistance, right? Oops, my candle's the same color. Hang on. This 2, correct? And then took a sell based at 176, 782, 266 within the 30-minute, respecting the zone. Circuit 20 pips, that's good. Runner was taking out with a trading stop loss. Yes, nice. This is not luck. This is, if you look on the higher time frames, I would believe this whole area like this is a higher time frame pickup. So let's have a look. So the whole trend on the daily, so let's start, because I don't really analyze EN, so let me have a look. Yeah, see. So if I can't really see the daily trend, now I'll just go up one more. So if you look at the weekly, this is what they did, right? So bam, 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 lower high compared to this area, correct? So we are in a downtrend. We're trying to form another lower low, right? So you were trading in line with the higher time frame buyers, so that's a good catch. Yeah, so you broke above when price came back in as a fake out on the higher time frame, you waited for the retest and you waited for solid resistance, so that's why this was a good catch. Let's see. Do you think you can trade on a $40 USD account? Well, we have someone that is trading on a $10 USD account, so I think it's possible. It's just that you really have to be picky with your trades. Don't take everything without confirmations. Yes. You can take any size of account. You can have $1 million account. If you have no discipline, you will blow it. It's, yes, Hypno said it right. You gotta take it easy, be patient, don't over trade, don't over leverage. Very simple rules. Move probably correct the whole of yesterday's move. Yeah, maybe. Because if we look at the 30, it's clean, right? So now GJ is trying to clear this green candle. So guys, I think some of y'all got a bit excited when you saw this big candle and then you wanted to continue long. But GJ always does this. It goes one big candle, and then especially if it's at a higher time frame zone, all the more we need to be careful jumping in for the continuation of the move. Yeah. Recommended lot size on a $5,000 account. Joseph, you need to use a position size calculator, right? So there's one here to calculate your risk, because I cannot tell you what lot size is recommended for you, because it depends on your risk appetite as well. So for example, go to home and then just go on Forex calculator, position size. Right, so I normally don't recommend anyone to go above 2%, please. Just key in 5,000 here. Let's say you want a 1% risk and your stop loss is, for example, 10 pips. Don't touch this. Just leave it alone. Doesn't really matter. So see, this is your recommended lot size for a 10 pip stop loss. So if you go bigger, just recalculate and then you have this. Yes, Nasim is right. So if anybody wants to practice, I pasted some stuff inside our Discord under trading resources. The Forex Simulator is here. Go play around with it. If you have itchy hands, play around on this. You will not hurt your account. By the way, all GBPs flew up today. Yeah, I think it's some kind of news. Or maybe the BOE statement last night was positive, and then when London opened today, boom, everything just went to the sky. Yeah, so it might have been the news from last night, because you see all throughout Asia, GJ did nothing, even from yesterday night after the news. So I think it's just a continuation of the move. And how many trades do you recommend per week for a $40 account? The amount doesn't matter. It's just you need to decide how many you are limiting yourself per day. So if you only have one bullet, you better make sure that one bullet is on a really good trade. It doesn't mean that you have $1 million account, you can go like 10 trades a day, right? You don't see Ted doing that. Yeah, just be selective. I think GN usually moves opposite from all the rest of the GBP pairs. GN and GA. Yeah. Their correlation is kind of funny. Right, let's see. 15 minutes about to close. Yeah, Happy K, just keep asking your questions, but maintain discipline. I would suggest step 1, know how many trades you want to take a day, and then you can adjust your risk percentage, but try not to exceed 2%. Okay, so on the 30, right? Because I'm seeing this 15-minute candle start to slow down at this area, so then it would make me want to see what price action is doing previously. So that's why if we go down to the lower time frames, right? If you look here, GJ made new high and then came to test this area as support, and then consolidated for a bit, broke through, tested it as resistance before smashing up. So now it might be coming to test as some kind of support if it wants to go up. If not, this candle should break, and then we wait for resistance to form and then we take it down. Yeah, but this area is not nice to GJ at 134,500, so let's wait. I'm using N for it. This one. There you go. No Forex broker killer today. I don't know. Did Raja say something? I don't think so. Sleeping now. We'll see if the dude comes on. Then I'll probably start early. I just started, so I cannot really give you solid feedback, but so far everything has met expectations. How much did Magic Keys help your risk management considering pre-ordering some? I think it has helped quite a bit, because if you put up your trades, right, and then you just want to walk away from them, you can set your partial stop loss, partial take profit, and then literally just leave the trade alone. So if you find yourself being very anxious, then that could be an option during your trade. Don't worry, I didn't enter. I'm just testing. Just testing, because it wasn't working earlier. Okay, clean sells below 134,250. Yes, correct. This yellow line is 134,250. Sorry, it's in the way. Any algos you can suggest? I don't use algos, so sorry, I cannot. I think GJ will go to 360. 360. Yep, this might be an area of support as well. I have it at 300. I think it's roughly the same area. So if I were to clean up a bit, 350. Yeah, GJ is just breaking down. I'm thinking of backtesting a pair intensively, just trading it with historical data to gain experience and better understand the pair. Just wondering if 4 years is too much. Yeah, don't go back more than 2 years. I think your eyes might bleed after you're done. Yeah, break it up, right? Just go like the last 2 to 3 years max. Hi L, just wondering, without looking at percentage risk or support resistance, what's the highest stop loss in pips I'm willing to take? Maximum 25, I think. I've never gone beyond that. Yeah, hypnotic breaks, yeah. Don't do it all at one shot. Do I do mentorship? My mentorship slots are full for now, the one-on-ones. So those who have joined Zoom, right? When my slots are open again, you guys will have priority before I blast it out to the public. So just FYI, once I clear this current batch, because they're running for a month, if they don't need me for another month, then I will have some empty slots.
Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Morning. Did you catch that fake out?
I actually caught it on the way up.
Ooh. Oh,
yeah.
during this candle.
Yeah.
Nice.
I caught that. And then I got greedy, and then I entered another position at the top. I was like, it's gonna continue going up.
Oh no.
When the 30-minute candle came down and started breaking the high again, I impulse entered, and then it just smacked down, like
it smacked you.
it smacked me. But I mean, I'm like at break even because I risked 1% and then I risked another 1%. So 1% I made and then 1% I lost. So.
I think once you see a really big candle, right? Ooh, let's not stack it on top.
Yeah. I expected it to come back to 600, right? I expected it to come back and respect that area to continue going up.
Yeah.
Right. So, but yeah, the second it just started coming down and not going back up, I was like, yeah, it's done.
Yeah, because at entry, right? So I think some of the guys were looking at the taking longs. I saw on the chat earlier, they were looking at taking longs when there was support form. But then if you look at this area here, at that point in time, right, this was 4:15 my time. So if you look at the hourly, right, oh, you do not want to go long into a in a bearish 1 hour candle.
Yeah.
Yeah, so scary.
I think it was like 15-minute or something. I think it was. Where had a bullish.
Yeah, but the bullish support was so weak.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
Yeah, you see that one big 15-minute doji, whatever, shooting star, whatever. I don't even know what you would call it.
The middle finger. This is a middle finger to those who took longs.
when that happened, I was like, all right, that's cool.
Right. So, John Bolton, I think for August I did like 3. So this month is a bit slower. I'm at like 2.2 now. Yeah, but I took really few trades this September, especially in the last 2 weeks. I barely have anything. I forgot to post for yesterday's losses. Do it later.
Hey, I don't know if you see. Do you actually see my journals or no?
Yeah. So I've been. Oh my god, I've like been so backlogged. Right, I'll get all of your journals done by today. I promise. I'm so sorry.
No, it's only 2. I just wanted to make sure that you got them.
Let me just check. Let's show the world your journals. Nah, I think you probably. Yeah, I've just been so backlogged. Yeah, I got it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just posted the chart. That's all I did.
Yeah. But I mean, if you have notes inside, then it's easier for you.
Labeled, yeah, labeled chart, yeah.
Ooh, hang on. Maybe too early to say, but where do you think GJ will finish for the week? Let's see. Because it's Friday.
Yeah, wasn't Raja talking about a swing short?
Yeah, I think so. In his Asian analysis, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's have a look. I actually haven't listened.
Yeah, but he probably got stopped out.
Yeah.
Definitely they got stopped because he said he's gonna have it on top of the 4-hour high. Once that bearish candle closed, the 4-hour closed bearish.
Yeah.
Yeah, it stops above the 4-hour high.
This candle would have got him, I think.
Exactly. Yeah.
Let's see. Weekly. I think the weekly candle, there's a high probability would close below this weekly's previous support. Yeah, but where, what price, I cannot tell. But it should close below the support, and then next week we are coming down.
Yeah, 133,900, something like that.
Yeah, 133.9. Let's see. Yeah, some area down there as well.
Yeah.
It's
far away, but
it's GJ also. Yeah. GJ does insane things. I feel like GJ has been stuck for the entire week, and then finally we have nothing much on news, right? So I think
today is the day.
Yes, I have a feeling today is GJ is gonna go nuts. Yesterday I was trade just jumped. Hang on. I was learning how to take a retest, but it doesn't happen. Show me the perfect retest. I want to learn more. So far, nothing yet.
Yeah, you see, the thing is with shorts though, there's a lot of traffic. Like there isn't clean candles going down to, like it's gonna have a lot of troubles going down.
Correct. Yeah.
Because you got support 350, and then you have another support at 300, and then another one at 134, 100.
Yeah, that's why I'm trying to, like, so even the 1 hour is messy, right?
Yeah, that's what I'm looking at, the 1 hour.
Yeah. Your thoughts on CTrader as a platform? I have never used it before. Yeah, Hypno, if you want the Notion template I use, it's inside Trading Resources. So you don't have to set up everything yourself. But once you use it, I don't think you'll go back. It's quite easy to use. I took trade with Said. Okay, I don't think that's for me.
Yeah, GJ just playing some games.
Yes, definitely. Hey Ethan, hello, hello. Yes, so Hypno document everything, even your backtesting. So like for me, right, even the trades that I don't take, I document as well. Where is it? Yeah, so if you look at, okay, this is a bit messy. So like even trades that I don't take, that I try out on demo, I document as well. Yeah, nothing wrong with saving your info. Why not long if it holds that support? I think you're talking about the gray support, right? Because you have two big 1 hour bearish candles, so you don't want to trade into a big bearish candle like that. As long as the 4 hour candle does not break the wick of the previous. Yeah, if it doesn't break, I think if it breaks below, then we're coming down to 134,200. Like a first time in a very long time that GG has been so messy. 2 weeks straight, man, of mess. It's testing all our patience. I've been trading for 7 years. Happy K. Clean sells below 134,100. Let's have a look. 130. Yes, you would get this part here.
Yeah, 130 below that should be a good set.
Yeah.
So like in that range, if it goes back inside that range between 350 and I'm just not gonna even look at it today.
Yeah. So now we're still coming down. Wow.
This could be like a bigger pullback to push back up. We just never know.
Yeah.
What's the daily?
Previous daily closed higher, making higher highs and higher lows. It looks like it wants to push higher, but this 600 level is just stopping it.
Yeah, but you got a daily wick fill that potentially can get filled, right?
Yeah. But the wick fill is down.
Oh, on the weekly?
Yeah.
On the weekly.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why higher time frame, so.
Yeah.
Gold buys were good yesterday, huh?
Yes, I know, right? Maybe that's why the troll is not here today. We made them money.
That was amazing. It's like really good.
Yeah. Wow. Wow, we made the troll money. Wow.
Yeah, like it was all the way in the 50s, I think, yesterday, right? And we called the buys.
Yeah.
But yeah, just like Uncle Ted said, though, this could be like the pullback just to continue going down.
Yeah. If you look at how like the last 2 daily candles were forming before this large bearish move, right? Look, they're so tiny. Yeah, it doesn't look like there's juice to push it higher. If you just like if you base it on the higher time frame,
yeah, there's no juice. Yeah.
Yeah, this is just a pullback. It's not a change in trend. Yeah, David Johnson, I've never used eToro copy trading. I rather copy my own trades because I'll be pissed off if someone lost my money for me. Any tips on how to hold runners? I struggle with this. Struggle how? Did you leave too big a runner? I would suggest if you get anxious leaving a runner, then just close the bulk of your position at 10 pips or whatever your trading plan suggests, and then start with like 10% runner first. Then as you get a bit more comfortable, move it up. You know, as I was holding the pen and then I was laughing at what you said last night about the ink. Do you know the website for Tricky? What is Tricky? Do you mean Trixie? The one that Raja uses? The journaling website. I think it's this. It's not free though. But yes, Shane is right. I found it in like 2 seconds. But since there's no trades, only once, yeah, only once. Let's have a look at EJ. On the daily. Oh, EJ is gross. So the daily made highs and lows within the previous daily candle. So I don't think I'm even gonna bother with EJ today. It's just stuck in a range. Hence, we see this price action continuing. Yeah. Musa, do you want to show me your chart and your support? I saw GU and GJ drop the 4-hour candle. It's leaving a big wick that looks like gonna be going to drop even more if GJ breaks 134, 350. Yeah. So those, if the candle stops here, it doesn't mean it's a buy, right? Because we need to wait. If you buy now, it flips. Not good on a Friday.
Yeah, Friday's usually a no trade day anyway.
Yeah, I think Fridays you really got to be extra picky.
Yep. And decrease risk.
Yes, picky and less risk. I think Fridays and Mondays, unless the setup is so solid, like even for the trade that I took on Monday, right? This one, I only went in with half risk because it was Monday. Who would expect 109? GJ is nuts.
Yeah. I didn't take it because I saw it happening in front of me. I just didn't take it.
Yeah.
Because it was a Monday.
Oh man, just reduce your risk then.
No, I was like, I'm not trading on Monday.
Okay.
Or, yeah, like.
It's like a personal rule.
Yeah, I don't like trading Monday. Fridays I'll trade, but
Mondays no.
Yeah. Yeah, see, if this closes with no bottom wick 2 on the 4 hour or on the 1 hour.
Yeah. It's dangerous.
Yeah.
No sells yet. We wait for the candle to close and then we wait for the retest. Right, Nyawira. Just because it's a big candle does not mean a sell. Sells were above for the failed retest at 600. Yeah, that was a higher time frame fake out on the 1 hour, but it wasn't, unless you considered this as a resistance formed, which is kind of funny, right? Because it's through the zone. Then yeah, you would have caught on a trade, but the resistance that form was weird, so that's why I didn't catch anything. Yeah, let's wait, right? Because I don't want anyone to get smacked on Friday. Gold has been correlative with GU and Euro USD, but it's ranging. Yesterday, heard Uncle Ted mention it wasn't yet a buy on gold. Is it expected to go back to minimums? What is minimums? It's bleeding. GJ is bleeding. The GJ waterfall. Maybe GJ is trying to tell us like, I had enough, I'm not going up anymore. And then it's just following the higher time frame.
Imagine we just get like a 1 hour candle all the way to 133,500.
Oh, let's not do that. Come on.
Just imagine you get like a 1 hour candle all the way down.
Yeah.
Because from a fundamental standpoint, the pound should be weak, right? Because of all the news and all that stuff. So.
Yeah, that's why I didn't understand why it pushed higher. Yeah. Unless last night Bailey was positive on something. Let's have a look. Or somehow he looked confident this time round.
Is Powell speaking again today?
No, he's done.
Okay, good.
We have this thing, durable goods orders, but it's high on FX book, but not on Forex Factory. So should be fine. Does GA and GA move the same? Tony, I hope you're joking. Strategy is based on price action candlesticks and its patterns and support and resistance levels for continuation of swing trades with confluence from the higher time frames. Yes, that was worded very well. I would love to see the hourly close below support and have a next retest within the next hour. Yes, me too. So you guys are catching on. Short-term strength maybe because short-term strength in the pound maybe because the Chancellor released new support packages for businesses. Oh, like just release it in this candle? Are you looking for buys if it rejects 300? Oh my god. Come on, GJ. Why you do this?
I'm telling you, you want that one candle going all the way down.
Holy.
Good. It's coming back up. Good.
Okay, at least it smashed through, right? Because we want a strong close below. Then maybe we can take like a wick with a retest and then at least get it down. But Please don't come all the way to like 200. That, oh man, GJ. Why you gotta do this?
Yeah, she's fallen.
Damn, she broke the 4-hour range, man.
Whoa. What you doing? What you doing? What you doing?
It just doesn't want to care about us.
Yeah,
Giant.
she doesn't care.
Yeah, she doesn't care. Giant, I don't think I need to answer your question anymore. Look at this. Rejects 300. Bye-bye 300. That's, yeah.
Well, good job. You got a runner. Good job.
Wow,
I'm
nice.
not even in.
Yeah, Ribeiro, do you enter on this resistance like this?
Yeah, I'd rather it close under,
Yeah.
and then get a bullish candle to 350.
Yeah, man.
And then take it back.
Yes, at 593 as the 30-minute closed. 593. Ooh, this tiny candle. Wow, okay. Interesting.
Yeah, once it passes 200, it should have range to go down to 134 flat. 20 pips.
So now the thing is, do we want it to push to this area and break it, or do we want it to stop?
I mean, it's retracing a little bit now. It's giving a wick.
Yeah.
Which is good. How much longer is left?
15.
15 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd like the
stopping at this like minor support here.
Yeah, see now it's back into the red zone, like no trade zone.
Yeah. This area is this area here. This is dirty. Tough.
She's still going.
At 593 as 30-minute close. I mean, my thought was if it were to retest 0.6, we would have done it in that 30-minute candle, but the 10 pip between 600 and 500 could be scary. Yes, correct. Yeah. The 4-hour close below resistance, so it took a shot. Yeah, that's a nice one. Yeah, because if you look at it right earlier, sure, the 4-hour was forming bullish, but at the close of the candle, as long as you see it below 600 plus, your 1 hour was bearish, right? I think that was it was an aggressive entry for sure, but it was a calculated risk that was worth a shot. Yeah, I agree with you. It's just that this, like this, I couldn't have taken it. It was just iffy. Okay.
I think on the 5-minute there was an entry, but I'm not entering on no 5-minute.
Yeah, once you start taking things on the 5, it's a never-ending process. You're just gonna start seeing entries all over the place. Okay, let me see. Perfect entry will be on the break of the previous hour wick.
That's exactly what I was saying. With the 5-minute, it looks good.
Yeah, that's why. I think if you want to trade the lower time frame, you need. It's possible. You just need to have a lot of discipline not to keep taking trades. Just grab like your 1 to 2R and then go off. Literally like turn off the charts and just go off. Yeah, David. Perfect entry will be the break of the previous 1 hour lower wick because it closes below 600 and it's a fake out. So the problem, I think this was the fake out though. This one. Oh, you're talking about earlier. Yes, okay.
Yeah, see, he's having troubles with those wicks. On the left.
Yeah, there's a reason why I'm looking at the 1 hour now, not even the 30, because the 30 is just gross. There's no info from this. Let me see.
Yep, there it goes. Come on up. And GJ is funny.
Yeah, man. GU, let's have a look. How's your son?
He's running a fever, like 40 degrees.
Still?
Yeah. I literally went and got him like a cold pack so he can just like sleep on it.
Oh no, poor boy. He must be really grumpy.
Yeah, haven't slept all night.
You must be really grumpy.
Nah, I don't sleep.
Oh, true. I think you're used to it.
Yeah, I don't sleep.
I don't know, but GJ seems to be a pair where we have lots of retail volume, therefore this moves. I think GJ just has a lot of volume. Yeah.
Yeah, I noticed a lot of people started trading GJ.
Maybe it's Raja and Ted.
Yeah, maybe because of them. Yeah, see, I don't like that. I wanted to close below there. If it closes below those wicks, I'll be happier for shorts. But since it's rejecting,
yeah,
and trying to close above, got 10 minutes. So let's see.
Yeah. Gavin asked, did they make your son do a COVID test?
No, they didn't. They just asked me
if he has traveled.
Yeah, no, they asked me if I've had any encounters with COVID patients or whatever. I told them no, I haven't.
Yeah.
So if I told them that I did, then
they're gonna stick that stick up his nose. He wouldn't be very pleased. Yeah. Guys, how do you buy this? How? I mean,
you get a wick entry. What do you mean? You buy at the bottom. You buy when it's a bearish candle.
Not yet. At least wait until there's support. No buys, no buys. I know if it rejects above, it might be tempting to take a buy, but not yet, man. Look at like this, like 2 big 1 hour candles. You wanna trade a pullback? Oh, that's risky. Last final question. What equipment do I need to start a Forex live stream? A mic and a headset. Do you ever plan to start trading indices? No.
Yeah, for indices, guys, it's a whole nother game.
Yeah.
Like, you're not only technical, you need to follow news, you need to know what's going on with stocks, you need to know what's going on with everything.
Yeah.
And then on top of all that, it's volatile as hell, and it moves like crazy.
Yeah.
So if you're a beginner, definitely don't even look at it.
Yep. I think it's rejecting the 134-200. It's a strong support. If it breaks, we have clean traffic on the 4 hour. Yeah, you are right. See, I like that it broke this support.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
Good morning.
Morning.
I think for me, I would probably just stick with these pairs and like nothing more. You don't need it. Why would you want to like keep flicking through the charts and then trying to look for setups? It's just troublesome when you can just chill, watch it fall like this and not have anything. Yeah, if you start flicking through the charts and other pairs, right, I think the risk of having FOMO or missing trades is even higher if you ask me. Because last time I had 21 pairs, so I know 21 and now I have technically 3. So the XY strong, making GU down, making GJ down. Jacob, I did not look at the DXY. What do you guys think about gold? Is it going to be safe for shorts? It's holding this 1872 level. Shorts. Where's Ashton? Oh, Ashton's here. He's probably looking at gold. I don't trade gold, so I'm very careful about calling anything. At what point in your career did you decide to go full-time trading instead of your other job? I think it was circumstantial because I intended already to go full-time this year because I traded for 7 years. And then, yeah, so I think it was just a natural progression. Losing the job just made the process a bit faster. Ooh, this is gonna be a nice close on the hour. So 4 hour broke support already. 1 hour also. So this is the 4 hour support that we were talking about. Broke below the wicks. This is previous resistance. Oh, I think it's yeah, GG is coming down today.
Yeah, you see how the 4 hour has no top wick too?
Yeah. Yeah. He didn't even try.
Yeah.
He was like, screw this, we tried once. Let's go back down.
Yeah, it's only been 1 hour too, so.
Yeah. Holy, this candle is big. It's like 40 pips, man.
That was nice.
So guys, what can you expect if it breaks the 134 200? I mean, what will be your profit target downwards?
Since it's
I mean, I'm seeing around 133 700. Is that the same you're looking for, or
yeah,
closer?
Yeah, 700 is good. Yeah.
Yeah. With a potential runner.
Yeah. There's just a lot of obstructions on the way down, that's all. So today, I'm going to be I'm not going to aim for the moon. I'm not going to aim all the way here. I'm going to be really prudent with my trade management. So if we take it down, right? So this hourly candle is most likely going to close below the wicks. At least it's definitely going to close below the support, right? Unless it pulls back, then GG, why you gotta be like this? Yeah, Shane, I just said I'm not going to. That's just dumb to aim for this area here on a Friday. So I'm just aiming for this minor zones over here. Chill, chill.
And obviously to remember everyone that obviously I am waiting, then I think Eleanor is waiting as well for a resistance to be formed.
Yeah, same thing. I'm not going to be jumping in just like that because this candle is so big.
Also after
you can get a pullback.
Yeah.
Exactly. After 60 pips drop, I think a pullback is needed for the price.
Yeah. So if we just look at like the bodies, right? I think this area here where the wicks wicked so many times, this could be like some kind of minor resistance for GJ to just form a lower time frame resistance to push lower. 133,968. 133,968. Why 968? 134 I see, but why 968? Interesting. Imagine you target 50 pips through consolidation on the 4 hour. No, there's no setup on the 4 hour, not on this. Because this would be an extreme low on the 4 hour candle, so there's no entry. If you want to grab a 4 hour candle, you're going to grab it early. I think 133,900 should be a good target for today. How many pips is that? Yeah. My audio is muffled. Is it? Can you guys hear me fine?
30 seconds.
Do I sound weird?
No, you're good.
Okay. I think that's AJ breathing. AJ, were you breathing loudly?
Was I?
I don't know. They heard all of them heard you breathing. They were like Darth Vader's on the line. Was it you?
I think I'm the only one that's not muted, so yeah, it probably is me.
You got excited seeing the candle form.
Yes, exactly. I'll mute myself so you guys are not bothered by my breathing.
Ooh, pushing. So there's 1 hour close below the wicks, and then oh, GJ is being really annoying today. Again. I think it's GJ breathing. Come on, man, test. At least with a wig. What the hell, man? So if GJ does a test, right, in this 15-minute candle, like if it wicks this area, wicks the gray zone and then okay, forget it. What the hell? How do you even enter this? How? Unless you wanted to impulse entry on the wick low and then with your stops above the 15. Wow, okay. When you first started trading, what made you decide to trade GJ, GU and EJ? I think what made me leave this pairs here is because they have volume, they are quick.
So we need just to bear in mind with this candle, yeah, the hourly just opened the third, like 2 minutes. So obviously 30 minutes, 15 minutes just are new candles, and we are approaching the area 13400, which has been rejected. It was the, if I'm not wrong, the old order block.
Yeah.
If I'm not wrong.
I think was the area you guys were talking about yesterday.
Exactly. So it might reject one more time now before going down, you know.
Yeah.
So also, after all this drop, I would expect a pullback, you know.
Yeah,
so
man.
In my opinion, it's a little bit risky to,
yeah.
to understand.
See, look, it's pulling back. You gotta. I mean, if anyone was in, it has to be a quick grab. Yeah.
Yeah, that's true.
Really quick grab. Is there news or something, George? Sadly, there is no news. I don't know what's happening. Yeah, nothing. Wow, what in the world is this? Well, the bright side is, if it breaks below 100, it's cleaner for us, right? On the 1 hour at least, it's definitely cleaner.
Roger's gonna be mad that he got faked out.
Yeah. Ryan, how were you trading your stop loss? Were you at break even? That's why you closed it out?
Morning, guys.
Morning.
How's it going? I saw when it rejected on the I think it's on, is it on the 4 hour on GJ? Or
from
is
the
it
top?
1 hour? Yeah, yeah. As the 4 hour closed back within the range,
Yeah.
and the next candle started forming,
Yeah.
I took a sell, and I
Yeah.
was holding it.
Holy.
And, yeah, I closed it out as it hit the wick of the previous 1 hour candle because I needed to go take a business call.
Oh,
But
okay,
now I've come back and I'm like, oh my gosh.
you
When
should have
it
just
got to
locked
that,
the stop.
yeah, it looks so clean, like it just came down perfectly, but it didn't. You know, it was kind of jumping around by that wick. That's why I
Yes.
closed out.
I mean, but at least it's blue. You can always re-enter.
Yeah, I mean, geez, like look at this. Where do we re-enter? You got to wait,
Yeah.
as you said, for the retracement.
Yeah, tell me about it. Yeah. But I really want it to break 100. So then we'll have the New York volume to help us push down this last area. UK.
I think the entry for the sell sort of made sense about what we were talking about yesterday, where if you do reject a really strong support or resistance zone, then you'll revert back to break smaller support or resistance zones.
Yeah, correct.
And it was just because we closed within that range, I thought we should start potentially pushing down.
Yeah. How big was this? Damn, this was a tradable range for me. Oh, this hurts. Because sometimes I take trades on the hour. So this was actually tradable. It's like a 22 pip loss. Yay. Oh wells.
Would you take it also if it closed above all the rejections before? Like it was like a fake out, obviously. So would you still take it on sells?
You mean this candle?
Yeah.
Yeah, if it stopped above the 600 line, no. It's because it closed like a little below. That's why I was like, do I really want it?
Yeah, exactly. That's my question. Would you
But
enter?
if you look on the 4 hour range.
Yeah,
if
but
you
this
click
would
on
have given me a bit more confidence. That's the thing also.
Yes.
Yeah.
I just looked at the 4 hour and said, right, it wicked up above, but came back with a really
And
strong
closed below.
rejection
Yeah.
and closed below. Therefore, we're still within the range. We've just rejected it. Let's take a sell, put our stop loss essentially just above the 134,600 and let it run down and see what happens.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you see the 4 hour time frame, yeah, makes sense.
Yeah. I mean, if we miss the trade, we need to find out whether we would have entered, right? I'm wondering if this would even be worth like half risk. I'm just thinking.
What you're thinking of taking an entry as it breaks below 134,100 or?
Oh no, I was thinking about how I could have caught this.
Oh, sorry. I was like, whoa, don't get FOMO.
No, hell no. I am past that. What is FOMO? FOMO does not exist in my dictionary anymore.
Fair. Brilliant. That's good.
Once you get punished too many times by FOMO, FOMO is not your friend. But yeah, definitely break and close and then a retest. Oh, the candles are still so big. There's definitely bearish momentum. Possible entry. Oops. Possible entry if GJ continues bearish momentum after a after a slight pullback. This is the 1 hour. Looking for 30-minute close on lower time frame. Stops above the 1 hour or above the 30. Looks like the 30. Above this, I think. Yeah. Still really big when impulse entry. Fill the daily wick. Oh man. Yeah. Yeah, then that would be what someone said earlier.
That's actually very probable.
Yeah, that's why. But I think it's probable too, seeing how GJ is pushing. And if on the daily it's clear, starting to clear up on the 4 hour as well. So we have nothing in the way anymore. At least till this area of 900 and then 1335. Yeah. Yes, Nasim, you are right. One thing I learned about GJ is you can go more than 100 pips without giving any significant pullback. Yes, that's why sometimes I wait on the 15.
GJ.
GJ is stabbing us one candle at a time. It's like, it's just going down.
Yeah, see,
down,
now
down.
it has no traffic. Now it could literally just drop.
Yeah, shit.
Well, guys, this is much better than fake outs, isn't it?
Yeah, it faked out on the 1 hour. Ay.
See, now there's no traffic.
Are we waiting on a pullback to 134, 100? Then we look to sell. Yeah, so based on like this strong bearish momentum, right? The pullback might come in the form of a wick. So this is the break of the 100 level. I want it to break the wicks as well on the left. So then the next candle, okay, the next candle should wick up and then come down. So that could be an entry. But it is also dangerous because we already moved quite a bit. Oh, this stop is so big. It's like 18. So my idea now is I want to wait for at least this 30 to break below here, right? Then closing below this support at least. The best case scenario is it closes also below this support. And then after that, I'll wait probably on the 15 or the 30 for that retest in the form of either a wick, or if it's slower, then it will form 2 candles before we take it for the rest of the move down to 700. Yeah, but I don't think I'll take a 15-minute close. I'll wait for the 30 to close. Yeah.
Raja had sell stops at 134,500.
Raja is the GJ godfather. He placed it before sleeping. Wow. Sell stops. Oh, he might have gotten like in then out. Oh shit, that's worse. That might have been painful. Yeah, what do you guys think? 30-minute closes below. Wait for the next retest. But at least the 30 close would be stronger than a 15 close, especially with all this move beforehand.
Yeah, so Roger's saying it should go to 133,500.
That's what I said earlier. Like, I don't doubt GJ. It looks like it's tough because it's very far, right? But it's only 50. It looks far, but it's
It
only
just
50.
had a 50 pip move.
Yeah, so I think someone said it wasn't probable. 133 maybe not, but 133.5 I think yes. Be right back.
It's coming back above.
Yeah. That's why the 15-minute wasn't enough. We needed to wait for 30. 15 would have smacked you, I think. But this is good. Come on. Form a resistance for us to take it down. It's amazing to see GJ fall like that when I was busy enjoying my vanilla ice cream. Your ice cream is melting like how GJ melted. Paul. This guys, this looks like the retest. I have bad news. Doesn't this look like a retest? Broke through on the 15, retested with the wick, now it's coming down. Think so? I think so. This is 134, 100. Corey mentioned GJ usually respects round numbers, so I'm expecting a bounce at 134. Yeah, I think that's why it's slowing down. Like boing, and then because this candle here, right, it closed below all this support on the 15, and then the wick is also lower than the wicks on the left. So I think this could have been the retest. I think.
Yep, but the question is, are you willing to get the trade?
Yeah, that's the thing. I don't think I have the balls to take it, man. Because it bounces off 134, right? Wow, shit. Yeah, but I do really think this is the retest. Okay, if anyone is thinking of an entry, this is very aggressive, but I think this is the retest because of the way the 15 closed. Okay, bye-bye. Shit! Yeah.
Yeah, I'm in this trade right now.
Yeah, it looks like, right? Yeah, I had to like just speak it out so whoever was fast enough, I think you would have caught it. But I don't have the balls to take it. Literally. Yeah. It will
It's about discipline, I think, you know. Being in a Friday.
Yeah. Yeah, 15 is a weak confirmation, but the thing is about this 15, right? The way I saw it is it closed below and then it closed its own support. So that's why I thought it was slightly better, but definitely still a weaker confirmation. That's why I said it was aggressive. If you want to take an entry to just test it out, just go small. Yeah. Take it with a micro on the balls. Don't need. I don't want to grow balls. It's okay.
I got in, I got out. I got in, I got out.
Yeah, just really just grab it and run.
I took 3 pips with like a 4 standard, so I got like I don't even know how much I took. Let me see.
Yeah, because look, it's clean on the 30.
It's just iffy because like I need a pullback. I need a pullback.
Yeah, but this was like
it just didn't give it to you.
It didn't give it to you with 2 candles, but it gave it to you with a wick. Technically.
Yeah, see, ideally I wanted it like my entry was as it broke the low of the wick, right?
Yeah.
That was my entry. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so then you would be I get why you'd be fearful. If you enter when it wick like how I normally enter my trades, right?
As it breaks the body?
Yeah, then you would be I'm done with 10.
Oh yeah, no, I took like 3 pips. I saw it pulling back a little bit. I was like, no, I'm done.
Yeah, because you took it at the end of the wick. That's why. Yeah, that's why I said it was really aggressive, but I should have spoken faster. Oops. I think some people caught it.
I was thinking it, and just a second you were just like, I think this. I was like, all right, bet, let's go.
Oh no. Yeah, 900. It should come down to 900. Yeah.
The thing is what's funny is that I talked about. I said watching it be one big candle going all the way down.
Yeah.
When it was at the top.
So basically, Raja got some sells.
He got them.
Yeah, he had a sell stop at 500.
So he caught this?
Yep, he caught the drop.
Holy moly.
7 lots.
Raja. Raja. Oh man. I called it. Wonder where his stop was. Is it on the picture?
No.
It's okay. I think he'll probably explain it later.
Oh, I'll be mad if it drops right now.
It would really. I'm like not shitting you. It would. At least still. Look, there's really nothing. It's just GJ telling his friends to come and join it at the bottom.
Yeah, but like selling while it's doing this is.
Yeah, I think you really would have had to get it at the body. Yeah, so. Yeah, I even said it, right? I was like, I think GJ's gonna do a retest with a wick to come down. Then, oh shit, it really did. And then when I scrolled to the left, I was like, oh, it closed below. The 30 was slow. Shit.
It's okay. It's okay. I'm still up for the week. It's fine.
Yeah, I'm like break even. Oh, slightly only.
I'm up like 3%.
Wow. That's okay.
Yeah, it's not bad. Yeah, over here, the dollar goes a long way, so it goes a really long way.
You're living like a king then.
Yeah, really, it's amazing. When the dollar here is like 4 times.
Ooh, that's like going to Malaysia.
Exactly. So it's like, yeah. So like getting $100 is like 500. It's 500 Saudi riyals almost. And 500 Saudi riyals will get you like a nice restaurant, like a nice restaurant, like for a dinner date with you and your family.
Wow.
Like
the whole family.
Like no, just like it's like me and my wife and my son.
Wow. But still, yeah.
Like a nice dinner date, like, and then you still have some left over. Like.
Look at GU, it's at the daily level. And it's clean on the left. Oh, GBPs. We were waiting for this the entire week. Why you gotta not give us a chance? We were nice. Ay.
You see, now I came back to my entry, so I'm happy.
Yeah, because now technically it's a little bit lesser volume, right?
Yeah. Let's see what Raj is gonna say on the stream today.
Someone's asking, you live in Jeddah?
No, I live in Riyadh.
Do this exercise. Just ignore all the mess happening in the Asia session and the low volume periods. Then it becomes clearer why this is happening. Let's just... If you just go onto the 4 hour. I think you can only see a clear picture on the 4 hour and the daily. Sorry about the lines.
No, there's not really a lot of traders here because actually, Forex is actually illegal over here. I wouldn't say illegal. It's frowned upon. Right? So like pretty much what it is that the government here, a lot of people have lost a lot of money. So when people lose a lot of money, what do? They go to the government and complain, right? So the government, instead of regulating it and doing all this regulation and having regulated brokers and all that, they're like, all right, since all y'all are complaining, we're not even gonna regulate this thing over here. So like, yeah, trading here is hard. There's not a lot of people, and the people that do know about it think it's a scam.
There are always people that think it's a scam.
Yeah. Because like the government here frowns upon it. Like, oh, the government talked and said no, don't do it. That means like don't do it, right? So.
I'm up 35% on a small account. Wow, 35. But I feel like
I feel like it's so easy to,
35.
compound a small account. Because like if you have $100 account, making $35 is 35%.
But that would be over risking, right? If you made $35, how much did you have to trade to make 35?
Just full margin every single time.
Oh damn! Oh, that was like me on my first trade. Click, click, click. Oh, cannot click anymore. Let's go. Click the buy. I still remember it was AUDJPY. I still remember.
No, if anybody has like a free money to
burn,
to spend and burn or whatever, take $100 and go full margin.
Yeah, damn.
See, it's coming back up.
Yeah.
This could be the retest. This could be the retest.
Yes, please, GJ. I've been good this week. Come on, man. Don't do this.
See, it's giving you a wick to fill. It's good.
Yes, please. And barely any top wick. Very, very good. Very, very good.
Roger should be coming on soon, Sune.
Should be.
Oh, didn't you say you're gonna start the streams earlier today?
If the Forex Broker Killer comes on. Or if like... I feel like my brain might just die a little.
Why is Roger even bringing him if he's that bad?
I think it's a joke.
No way.
As in, like, not a joke that he brought him on, but like, yeah.
He would.
Okay. I shan't say anything. I might get hit. Yeah. People might dislike my stream. I know he has fans. I just cannot take him seriously, that's all. No trades yet. No trades. I'm waiting for the retest on this part here. I used 100 leverage and it was only 11. Oh, then your runners must have been sick this month. Damn.
I'll be right back. Or I'll see you at Roger's stream.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. I see.
Come on, we might get a resistance under 34 level, under 34 200 or 350, 144 350.
Ooh, yay, come on. Oh, look at GJ. Retest. Raja on yet? My internet is so slow today, I don't know why. Oh, Raja's on. Okay, I'm gonna see you.
See you later.
Right, see you later.